China is very dynamic and adapts most of the technologies. And that's why China has the opportunity of implementing new technologies like high voltage transmission, flexible power transmission with power electronics, smart power grid, renewable energy. And these are all the challenges for us working on power electronics. Basically, I was working more on the power electronics in the past years and more to the grid connection of power electronics or drive technologies. Most of my inventions are actually in this area. Working on it is the more digitalization of the power electronics, because what we have been doing is basically hardware. What I'm also working on currently is the digitalization of the system. Try to digitalize the conventional power electronic devices or to build new system with power electronics with the possibility of digitalization. And then we can have all this data together and can have data-based service or solution for different applications, for grid, for industrial drive, for robotics, could be my next step. The traveling and seeing the cultures, people, I think it really helped me to, first of all, refresh my mind and to relax a bit. More importantly, by looking at different cultures, I can actually understand the different behavior, or let's say different ways of performing or language from different countries, like from different colleagues, so that we can have a better work or teamwork together with different colleagues, because this is very necessary for my work.
Siemens, ingenuity for life.